I was able to claim an instant $30 no deposit bonus for trading Forex by following a few key steps which I'm going to be showing you in this video. So for most of you that actually want a free trading capital for maybe testing out new trading strategies, or you're a beginner who knows nothing about trading and you don't want to lose real money while learning how to trade and also be able to withdraw from this no deposit bonus, just like real trading capital, then this might be the best no deposit for doing all of that. Now, if you're not a fan of verifying your identity before claiming no deposit bonuses, maybe you feel it causes way too much delay when claiming free trading capitals, then I think you're going to love this particular bonus that I'm going to share with you today. Because for you to successfully claim this bonus and start trading with it, you don't have to go through the stress of submitting identity cards and proof of address, only for your request to be ignored for weeks before approving your identity verification. By following the steps I'm going to be showing you in this video, you can be able to claim this trading credit instantly and start making profits without having to risk real funds to the Forex market. I'm also going to be talking about the terms and conditions for withdrawals, because that is very important when it comes to trading no deposit bonuses. The terms and conditions would help you decide if this bonus is a complete waste of time or if it's actually worth it. One thing I also love about this bonus is that there are no country restrictions when it comes to claiming this bonus capital. So no matter where you reside in, this free trading credit is also available for you. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome to Smart Hustle Media. On this channel, I make thorough research for the best free Forex and crypto trading bonuses to claim and trade for free without any fear of losing our own capital in the Forex market, and also be able to withdraw from it without any complications. So if you're interested in trading the Forex market for free with no deposit bonuses, and also be able to withdraw unlimited amounts of profits made from these accounts, then hit that subscribe button and activate the bell icon to receive the latest updates from me on this channel. Also hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video can get to a wider audience, including your mom, dad, and friends. And with all that said, guys, let's get started. The link to this broker will be on my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel using the link in the description box or pinned comments below. Once you're on this registration page, you're required to fill out every single detail that is needed on this registration form. These necessary details include your full name, email address, select your country code, type in your phone number, create and type in a very strong password. Then you confirm that password you typed in the above field. After completing all these steps, check this box to agree with their terms and conditions before clicking this button, Create Trading Account. After completing the registration process, the next step is to verify the email address you used for the registration. You would receive an email notification from this broker with a link to verify your email address. As you can see, guys, I just received mine already. All you have to do is open this message and click on this button, Verify Email. Or you can copy this link below and paste it in your browser to verify your email address and proceed to the next step. After successfully verifying your email address, you would be redirected back to this login form. You have to log in with the email address and password you used to sign up. Then you check this box to save your login information for easier login next time before you click on Login to your trading dashboard. Now, you have to wait for a few seconds for the authentication process to be completed. Once it's done, you will be redirected to your client dashboard. As you can see, guys, I've not completed KYC verification, so even without verifying your identity and proof of address, you can still claim this bonus account and start trading with it. To get started with claiming this bonus offer, click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of this page, and a menu would expand like this one. Now scroll through this menu and search for the Trading Account button. Once you found the Trading Account button on this menu, click on that button to proceed. You would be redirected to this page, click on the Create Account button right here on this page, and you'll be taken to this form. First of all, select Live Account as the account type by clicking this arrow icon right here. Then you click on the next button below this page. After completing step 1, make sure you select Standard Account as the account group and then click on the Create button below this page. An email that contains your login ID and login password would be sent to the email address you used for the registration. Now, to actually claim this bonus and start trading with it, click the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of this page, and this menu would expand. Scroll through this menu and search for a bonuses button like this one and click on it to proceed to this next step. Once this page is done loading, scroll down a little bit and you would see this banner of the $30 no deposit bonus campaign. The good thing about this bonus is that you can use it to trade for up to 1 year before it expires. So to claim this bonus, click on this Claim Bonus button that is at the body of this banner to proceed to the next step. Make sure the newly created live account is selected before clicking the Confirm button below this form. After clicking the Confirm button, your $30 trading capital will be credited instantly to your trading account. Now, when you head back to your account dashboard, specifically the trading account section, you may not see the $30 no deposit bonus in the balance section. This is because it's actually a trading credit and not a withdrawable capital. Only profit made can actually be withdrawn after completing their trading requirements. Now, one thing I noticed about this free trading capital is that you cannot trade this account on MetaTrader 5 or the MetaTrader 4 application. So you have to place trades directly on the site. Here's exactly how to do so. Once again, click the menu icon at the top left corner of this page to expand. Search for a button titled Chart and click on that button. Now give it a few minutes to load up the chart interface. Once it's done loading up this interface, you can select your favorite trading pair, do technical analysis, place trades, and more using this free trading account. The reason mine is showing this icon is because I screen recorded this video on a weekend. But if you try to trade on any other day aside from weekends, it's going to be successful. So that's how to claim this free $30 no deposit bonus. Now, these are the important things to know when trading with this free trading capital. The first one states that this bonus applies only to gold, 𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓. The second terms state that the $30 bonus itself is not withdrawable. Only the profit made with this account can be withdrawn. The third terms state that the maximum withdrawal from profits is $60. Any other amount you place for withdrawal that is above this amount will be rejected. Lastly, only one account per person is allowed. Prohibited strategies: EAs, bots, martingale, grid, hedging, arbitrage, copy trading, and trading symbols other than gold. Before withdrawing profits from this account, these are the requirements that must be fulfilled. The first one is to trade gold until your equity grows to $60. Now, this second one is optional. If you don't want to complete the trading lot that is set, you may have to deposit $30 if required to reach the trading volume target. Thirdly, you have to complete 4 standard lots of trading turnover before withdrawals can be unlocked. Lastly, you can withdraw profits up to $60 after fulfilling the volume requirement. Now, to round up this video, I've just shown you how to claim this free Forex capital and also talked about the terms and conditions for withdrawing from it. And if you follow every single step that I just shared with you in this video, you have 95% chance of successfully getting this free Forex trading capital. The problem, though, is that sometimes these no deposit bonuses do expire after a certain period of time. So if you're watching this video after a few months of uploading it and this offer has ended, don't panic. I have a few but effective solutions to help solve this issue. The first solution is to check out the playlist that will pop up at this corner of the video. That way, you'll find other recent bonuses that are available to claim and start your trading journey for free, and of course be able to withdraw all profits made on these accounts without ever worrying about the risks attached to the Forex market. The second solution is to hit that subscribe button and activate the bell icon to stay updated whenever a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to also hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video gets to a wider audience, including your mom, dad, and friends. The final solution is to join our Telegram community using the link in the description box or pinned comment below. That way, you can get updates that was not uploaded to this channel directly from me. You can also chat with other members of the community whenever the group is open for questions. If you ever get confused or have any other questions, drop a comment below and I'll reply with a solution. Also, comment down below your country of residence, as it helps me search for the best free Forex capital that's available specifically for your country. And with all that being said and done, guys, I wish you all a fruitful and successful week. See you all on my next video. Peace.